All right, while we try to restore the connection with my colleague, let's also move on to other developments. Maharashtra Assembly Speaker Rahul Narvekar spoke on the Mumbai boat accident, stating that a very unfortunate incident has taken place in Mumbai harbour. He also added that the place from where the boat left, the Gateway of India, is a part of my assembly constituency. He stated that they have to carry out a thorough investigation and prepare a remedy plan to avoid such types of incidents in the future. Let's now listen in.
बहुत ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण घटना आज मुंबई में के हार्बर में हुई है और ये बोट जहां से निकली थी गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया वो मेरे चुनाव क्षेत्र का भाग है। इसमें 80 से ज़्यादा लोगों की जान खतरे में आ गई थी। राहत कार्य से लगभग 80 लोगों को अभी तक बचाया गया है, कुछ लोग अभी भी लापता है। मैं ये प्रार्थना करता हूं और उम्मीद रखता हूं कि इसमें किसी की जान न जाए गई हो और निश्चित रूप से ऐसे हादसे वापस न हो, दोबारा न हो, इसके लिए निश्चित रूप से हमें पूरी तरीके से इन्वेस्टिगेशन करके एक उपाय योजना इसके ऊपर निकालने की जरूरत है।
All right, Darul, my colleague joins me live on the broadcast. Darul, as in fact we have just heard Rahul Narvekar saying that from the place where the boat had left belongs to his assembly constituencies, but it is in fact important to understand that what is the number that has been given so far by the authorities and by the Navy of the total number of people who were on board that passenger ferry. Given the fact that 101 have been rescued, 13 have died, what is the total number that in fact can be ascertained so that it can be understood that how many people were actually traveling and how many went missing?
If you see the total number which is shared by the local authorities, that is the BMC from the Mumbai, they have said that more than 100 passengers were present on the ferry boat while the incident took place, and out of which 114 have been rescued when the incident took place at Uran. Yes, and 97 are in stable condition, 4 are in critical, and the 13 people who lost their lives, out of which 10 are civilians and 3 are naval officers who lost their life in this tragic incident. And the data which is shared has said that there were more than 100 people, out of which there 114 people have been rescued. And we saw Rahul Narvekar, who is the MLA from this constituency, the Kulaba constituency, has said that it's a tragic incident which took place yesterday, and the government will also now work on this, that such more incidents don't place in the upcoming future.
All right, Darul, thank you for adding these details. Now shifting our focus to other developments where